viewers, welcome to another day in Lekki, Nigeria. I bring to you real estate cashback reloaded. So where am I pointing you to invest this time around? It can only be Lekki Pride II. You know, Lekki Pride II is on Ogombo Road and it's very close to Adesanya. And we are doing our real estate cashback reloaded on this estate. Real estate cashback is our real estate trading platform whereby we acquire landed property in a prime location and we build. So when you invest with us, we give you return on investment and your capital back. So Lekki Pride II estate is in a prime location and is selling fast. So that's why I'm calling all my investors out there to come and invest in Lekki Pride II. And in turn of that, we are going to give you 4 documents. We are going to give you post-dated check. We are going to give you deed of agreement. We are going to give you investment certificate, and we are going to give you insurance certificate. And the minimum unit you can buy in Lekki Pride is 1 million naira. So in terms of that, for 12 months. So if you're doing that, at the end of the maturity date, you get your capital and you get your return on investment. I want you to tell me which bank will you put 1 million naira, and at the end of the 12 months they will give you 32% return on investment. I want your comment down there to tell me which of the bank in Nigeria that when you put your money in the bank they will give you 32%. So in investing with us in Lekki Pride II, we are going to give you 32% return on investment. Isn't that fantastic? Call me right now. My number is displayed on the screen, so I'm expecting the call. And if you are coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification and follow us on all our social media handles. Axel's View Property. I'm waiting for your comments. Thank you.